Australia is home to some of the most unique and adorable creatures on the planet. From fluffy marsupials to quirky birds, the country's wildlife offers an irresistible blend of cuteness and curiosity. Whether it's the always smiling quokka or the iconic koala lazily lounging in the treetops, Australia's animals never fail to capture hearts. Get ready to meet some of the cutest animals that call Australia home, each one more charming than the last. Let's kick off our adventure with one of Australia's most iconic and beloved creatures, the adorable koala. With their soft grey fur, fluffy ears, and endearing button noses, these marsupials are like nature's own plush toys. Found nestled in the forests and open woodlands, typically dominated by eucalyptus trees, koalas have won hearts worldwide for both their cuteness and their slow-paced carefree lifestyle. Their round furry bodies and innocent sleepy eyes make them look perpetually huggable, and their habit of snoozing for up to 20 hours a day only adds to their charm. This extensive nap time is necessary due to their low-energy diet of eucalyptus leaves, which are tough to digest and provide little nutrition. When they're not napping, koalas move with a slow deliberate grace, making it mesmerizing to watch them climb and lounge among the trees. Though they appear cuddly, it's important to remember that koalas are wild animals, best admired from a respectful distance. Still, their gentle presence and laid-back nature have cemented their place as one of the most treasured animals in Australia and in the hearts of people around the world. Next, we're hopping over to Western Australia to meet the internet's favorite happiness ambassador, the quokka. Primarily found on Rottnest Island, just off the coast of Perth, quokkas are small, round, and undeniably photogenic. Their cheerful smiles and friendly demeanor have earned them the title of the happiest animal in the world. Though quokkas are mostly nocturnal, they are often active and approachable during the day, much to the delight of visitors. Their natural curiosity frequently leads them to interact with tourists, resulting in countless adorable photo opportunities. However, it's important to remember that feeding quokkas is prohibited, as human food can be harmful to their health. These charming creatures thrive on a diet of native plants and have adapted perfectly to the unique ecosystem of their island home. Waddling their way into our hearts are the stocky short-legged wombats. These burrowing marsupials are like living breathing pillows with a surprising talent. Found in the forests, mountains, and heathlands of Australia and Tasmania, wombats are sturdy low-to-the-ground creatures with a determined demeanor that's impossible not to love. Their roly-poly bodies and no-nonsense expressions make them adorably comical. One of the wombat's most impressive skills is their powerful digging ability, allowing them to create extensive burrow systems that can stretch up to 100 feet long. But perhaps their quirkiest and most endearing feature is their ability to produce cube-shaped droppings. Wombats are the only known animals to do so, a trait believed to help prevent their droppings from rolling away, making it easier to mark their territory. Despite their somewhat grumpy appearance, wombats can be surprisingly playful. Soaring into our list is the adorable sugar glider, a nocturnal marsupial with some serious aerial acrobatics up its sleeve. Native to the forests of eastern and northern Australia, sugar gliders are small possums with big personalities. Their coolest feature? A special membrane of skin that stretches from their front to back legs, letting them glide up to 50 meters between trees. With their large expressive eyes perfectly adapted for night vision, sugar gliders have this perpetually wide-eyed curious look that's just irresistible. In the wild, they're super social, often hanging out in family groups. And as for their diet? It's as sweet as their name, they love sap and nectar, but they'll also snack on insects and even small vertebrates. Meet the echidna, one of only 2 egg-laying mammals in the entire world. Now, don't let that spiky exterior fool you, these little guys are gentle souls with a face any animal lover could adore. Found all over Australia in a variety of environments, echidnas are fascinating creatures that mix both reptilian and mammalian features. They've got long sticky tongues for snatching up insects, and their shy demeanor is a charming contrast to their prickly appearance. When they feel threatened, they have this clever trick, they curl up into a ball, presenting a wall of spikes that no predator wants to mess with. Plus, they can wedge themselves into tight spaces or dig down into the ground, making them experts at self-defense. One of the echidna's coolest features is the electroreceptors on the tip of their snouts. These help them detect electrical signals from their insect prey. Watching an echidna waddle around, with its spines gently swaying, is an absolute joy and a reminder of just how diverse and adorable Australia's wildlife can be. Prepare to be charmed by one of nature's most peculiar and adorable creations, the platypus. It's as if nature couldn't decide what it wanted, resulting in this fascinating creature that's both cute and utterly unique. Found in the freshwater systems of eastern Australia, the platypus is a blend of different animals. It's got a duck-like bill, a beaver-like tail, and otter-like feet all rolled into one adorable package. Their soft, flexible duckbill is packed with electroreceptors, helping them hunt underwater by detecting the electrical signals of their prey. Watching a platypus swim is a pure delight. They move so gracefully, diving and resurfacing with a playful energy that's hard not to love. But don't let their cuddly appearance fool you. Male platypuses actually have venomous spurs on their hind feet, a little reminder that they're as complex as they are cute. Since they're elusive and mostly nocturnal, spotting a platypus in the wild is a rare and special treat, adding even more to their mystique and charm. Venturing into the rainforests of northeastern Australia, we meet the charming tree kangaroo. These unique marsupials combine the bouncing skills of their ground-dwelling cousins with some seriously impressive climbing abilities, making them the acrobats of the kangaroo world. With their stocky bodies, strong limbs, and long tails for balance, tree kangaroos are perfectly built for life up in the canopy. Their furry round faces, small ears, and big eyes give them a sweet teddy bear-like appearance. But unlike their ground-based relatives, tree kangaroos have shorter hind legs and longer front legs, helping them move with surprising agility through the trees. They can even leap impressive distances between branches and sometimes drop from as high as 18 meters to the ground without a scratch. This mix of cuddly looks and incredible athleticism makes tree kangaroos a captivating and totally adorable part of Australia's wildlife lineup. Often mistaken for their larger kangaroo cousins, wallabies are the smaller but equally charming members of the macropod family. Found all across Australia, from tropical forests to cool mountain regions, wallabies come in several species, each with its own unique appeal. Their compact size, usually under a meter tall, gives them a naturally cute appearance, like miniature kangaroos. Wallabies have powerful hind legs for hopping and a strong long tail to help with balance. But it's their faces that really steal the show, with those expressive eyes and twitching noses that give them a constant look of curiosity. Of course, we can't forget the baby wallabies, or joeys. Like all marsupial young, joeys spend their early months snuggled up in their mother's pouch, and seeing their little heads pop out is seriously heart-melting. Whether you're watching a group of wallabies grazing or a joey taking its first hops outside the pouch, it's a wonderful glimpse into the gentle side of Australian wildlife. Singing its way into our list is the remarkable lyrebird, one of nature's most talented mimics. Native to the forests of Australia, the lyrebird is known for its ability to imitate almost any sound it hears, from other birds to chainsaws and camera shutters. This beautiful ground-dwelling bird is named for the male's striking tail, which fans out like a lyre during courtship displays. With their delicate brown plumage and graceful movements, lyrebirds have a subtle beauty, but it's their astonishing vocal abilities that truly captivate. Watching a lyrebird perform its repertoire of sounds is an unforgettable experience, showing off the rich diversity of Australia's birdlife. Finally, we couldn't end this list without including one of Australia's most iconic animals, the kangaroo. These hopping marsupials are instantly recognizable and hold a special place in Australian culture. Whether bounding across open plains or lazily grazing, kangaroos are a captivating sight. Their powerful hind legs and large feet make them incredible jumpers, and their strong tails help them balance as they hop. But it's the sight of a joey peeking out from its mother's pouch that truly melts hearts. Kangaroos perfectly embody the wild natural beauty of Australia, making them the ideal finish to our roundup of the country's cutest animals. And there you have it, 10 of Australia's most adorable animals. If you've enjoyed this journey through Australia's wildlife, don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow animal lovers. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more fascinating animal content. Every like, share, and subscribe helps spread awareness about these wonderful creatures and their conservation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next wild adventure.